Welcome back students, and time for our project in order to have a better understanding of variable. Now variable, I have made you understand there are many data types of variable and another is an object variable. So we will demonstrate the examples of both kind of variable. Now let's focus on the tasks that we have in our hand. Okay, this is the data of school students and their name, respective scores, that's in unit test, their weightage, half yearly their weightage, final their weightage, and the total accumulative score by combining all the weightage. Okay, so now what I want to create a macro. When the macro is going to start, it will ask for the student name whose score you want to know, and in the input box whatever student name you have given, that particular cell reference is going to be selected. Let's say for example, if you have given Raj, then this particular cell is going to be selected, that it is here, similar to find, but it's going to do something bigger than that. Not only this, it will do the selection of Raj Sagar. It will also tell in a message box that Raj Sagar has scored 75, which is his score. So how to create this macro? Okay, so I'm going to developer and creating a module. Option explicit, it is there already. Okay, so start typing. Okay, now the first one is I need to create few variables. So the first variable is going to be where I'm going to store the student name, which is uname, the very range where that student name is there, let's say A2 or A5, whatever it is, and the student score. Okay, so now the first thing is I need to mention the sheet where I'm doing this task. So this is if function data, which is sheet 1, you can see here. So I'm going to mention sheet 1 dot activate. Okay, the next thing is I need to ask for the student name. So here okay, and the student name is going to be stored in the variable which is uname. Now I need to find out the range where uname is there. So set find range, because that's an object variable, the range is an object variable. So set find range, and how to find out? The trick is range starting from A2 till range A2 dot and Excel down dot find. What I've done, I've given the starting range which is A2 till the last range. We have already done this task, so it need not to be understand separately. So from the beginning till the end, what I'm going to do, dot find. Find is a function and it's asking for the first parameter that we need to give is a what. So what we are looking for, we are looking for this particular name. Okay, so I have given this variable which is going to store the name that we are looking for. And the good part about this is it's going to find out whatever as a range. You can see here as range. What does it mean? If I have given Raj, it's going to select Raj Sagar, of course, but till now we have not written that particular command which is going to select this. But if we have typed Raj, it's not going to store Raj or Raj Sagar. It's going to store A9 cell reference, because it's going to store it as a range. Now that particular cell reference is going to store in find range variable, and with the help of this variable we can type the next command. I need to do the selection of that particular range, so I'm going to do Okay, now I need to find out the score. Okay, so I've given row wise 0. Let's say if this is the cell, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, it's in the 7th row. So row wise, row index I've given 0, row offset is 0, and column offset is 7. So in the 7th column the score is there, dot value. Okay, so we have got the score as well. Now I need to give a message. Okay, why I'm typing findRange.value rather than uname? If in the uname only Raj is written, but I want Raj Sagar to come, and that will come if we are going to give the cell reference dot value. So the cell reference is going to be the, let's say this is A9. So find range, in find range that is being stored. So find range dot value is going to give the complete name. So find range dot value has scored score. That's it. So I'm going to run this. Okay, so it's asking for the name. I have given Deepak. I'm going to click OK. So you can see Deepak Kumar has scored 56, and which is correct also. Another, and I'm going to type, let's say Seema. So it's saying Seema has scored 76, and it's working absolutely fine. But there can be some problem in this. Let's say if I'm running this, and if it's asking for the name which is not here, so it will create an debug error because it has not found anything. So what is the solution to this? We will understand that once we will go through the error handling session. For the time being, this was the example of variables, and in the next video we are going to understand the logical, which is if, and or function. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.